हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, फार्माकोलॉजी या विषयावर DMR फार्मासिस्ट TCS एक्झामसाठी 50 MCQ सोबत आन्सर हे सर्व प्रश्न PYQ पेपर्स आणि लेटेस्ट TCS पॅटर्नवर आधारित आहेत. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ॲन अँटीबायोटिक ड्रग्स? आन्सर A. पॅरासिटामॉल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इन्सुलिन इज ॲडमिनिस्टर्ड बाय विच रूट? Answer B. Subcutaneous. Question number 3, which of the following is a beta blocker? Answer B. Propranolol. Question number 3, which is an antidote for organophosphorus poisoning? Answer A. Atropine. Question number 5, which of the following is a NSAID, means non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs? Answer ibuprofen. Question number 6, which of the drug is used in the treatment of tuberculosis? Answer C. Isoniazid. Question number 7, salbutamol is used in? Answer B. Bronchial asthma. Question number 8, diazepam is used as? Answer B. Sedative and anxiolytic. Question number 9, which of the following is an antidiabetic drug? Answer A. Metformin. Question number 10, which of the following is a proton pump inhibitor? PPI. Answer B. Pantoprazole. Question number 11, which of the following is an antihypertensive drug? Answer C. Nifedipine. Question number 12, which of the following drug is a bronchodilator? Answer A. Salbutamol. Question number 13, adverse drug reaction ADR is? Answer B. Unwanted harmful effect. Question number 14, which is an example of antifungal drug? Answer B. Fluconazole. Question number 15, furosemide belong to which class? Answer B. Diuretic. Question number 16, ranitidine is classified as? Answer B. H2 receptor antagonist. Question number 17, which drug is used in the treatment of anaphylactic shock? Answer B. Adrenaline. Question number 18, which of the following is a sedative? Answer A. Diazepam. Question number 19, antipyretic action means? Answer B. Reduce fever. Question number 20, which of the following is an anti-tubercular drug? Answer A. Rifampicin. Question number 21, adverse effects of NSAID, means non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug? Answer B. Gastric ulcer. Question number 22, example of cephalosporin antibiotic? Answer B. Ceftriaxone. Question number 23, metronidazole is used for? Answer B. Amoebiasis. Question number 24, which of the following is a calcium channel blocker? Answer B. Amlodipine. Question number 25, which of these is an antidiarrheal agent? Answer B. Loperamide. Question number 26. Which vitamin is antidote for warfarin overdose? Answer B. Vitamin K. Question number 27. Chlorophenamine militate is mean. Answer B. Antihistamine. Question number 28. Antiemetic drug are used to. Answer B. Prevent vomiting. Question number 29. Which is an antacid? Answer B. Aluminum hydroxide. Question number 30. Ondansetron is used for. Answer B. Nausea and vomiting. Question number 31. Ciprofloxacin is an. Answer B. Antibiotic. Question number 32. Which of the following is a cough suppressant? Answer A. Codeine. Question number 33. Which of these a hematinic? Answer A. Ferrous sulfate. Question number 34. Which of the causes hypoglycemia? Answer A. Insulin. Question number 35. Which is used in hypertension? Answer C. Losartan. Question number 36. Anti-inflammatory drug is a. Answer A. Phenytoin. Question number 37. Adrenaline is a. Answer B. Sympathomimetic. Question number 38. Which of these is an anti-malarial drug? Answer B. Chloroquine. Question number 39. Which of these an anti-cancer drug? Answer B. Methotrexate. Question number 40. Which drug is used for reducing cholesterol? Answer B. Atorvastatin. Question number 41. Which of these is an anti-allergic? Answer A. Levocetirizine. Question number 42. Which of these is an antiphyletic drug? Answer B. Aspirin. Question number 43. Anti-anxiety drug is. Answer alprazolam. Question number 44. Adverse effect of aminoglycoside antibiotic is. Answer nephrotoxicity. Question number 45. Folic acid is used for prevention of. Answer anemia. Question number 46. Which of the following is a local anesthetic? Answer A. Lignocaine. Question number 47. Antipyretic means. Answer B. Reduces fever. Question number 48. Which of these is used an anti-diabetic drug? Answer C. Glimepiride. Question number 49. Omeprazole is. Answer C. Proton pump inhibitor. Question number 50. Which of these is an sedative